Nagoya Protocol. India leads the world in biodiversity compliance, issues 60% of global genetic resources certificates. India has reinforced its position as a global biodiversity powerhouse, emerging as the world leader in issuing compliance certificates for access to generic resources under the Nagoya Protocol. Despite holding only 2.4% of the world's land area, India supports nearly 8% of global biodiversity. The latest government report highlights India's leadership in biodiversity governance, benefit sharing, and conservation, showcasing how the country is balancing environmental protection with sustainable development and community participation. India leads the world in biodiversity compliance under Nagoya Protocol. India has issued 3,556 internationally recognized certificates of compliance IRCC between 2017 and 2025, accounting for nearly 60% of all such certificates issued globally. The achievement was highlighted in a progress report released by the Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change during the International Day for Biological Diversity event in Bhopal. This makes India the global leader in implementing biodiversity access and benefit sharing mechanism under the Nagoya Protocol. Globally, only 34 out of 142 registered countries on the ABS clearinghouse have issued such certificates. What are IRCCs and why are they important? The internationally recognized certificate of compliance IRCCs are official documents issued under the Nagoya Protocol on Access and Benefit Sharing (ABS). These certificates confirm that prior informed consent was obtained, mutually agreed terms were established, genetic resources were accessed legally, benefit sharing obligations were accepted. These certificates help track how biological resources and traditional knowledge are used from scientific research to commercial development. They also ensure that countries and local communities providing biodiversity resource receive fair compensation. Understanding the Nagoya Protocol and India's role. The Nagoya Protocol was adopted in 2010 and came into force in 2014 under the Convention on Biological Diversity (CBD). Its objective is to ensure fair and equitable sharing of benefits arising from the use of genetic resources. India implements this framework through the Biological Diversity Act 2002, which makes access and benefit sharing a legal requirement. As a biodiversity-rich country, India often acts as a provider nation, allowing controlled access to biological resources for research and commercial use. Countries accessing Indian resources include France, United States, Spain, Brazil, UAE, China, Netherlands. India biodiversity wealth gives it strategic importance. India's biodiversity profile makes this leadership especially significant. Key biodiversity fact about India: holds nearly 8% of global biodiversity, occupy just 2.4% of global land area, home to rich forest, wetlands, marine ecosystems, and agro biodiversity. One of the world's mega diverse countries, this ecological richness makes biodiversity governance both an environmental and economic priority. 263 crore rupees generated through benefit sharing. The report highlighted major economic outcomes from biodiversity governance under India's ABS mechanism. 263 crore